All right, good morning, everybody. So today it is April 29th, and we are going to talk about the Battle of Hong Kong, which is super cool. Um, the reason we're doing this, I think it's really important. First of all, this is where we live. We live in Hong Kong, so it's good for you to know some of the history about what happened during World War II to the place that we live. Secondly, I think it can teach us something about the relationships that exist today between some of the countries involved. So you're going to have to think about that as we go through the lesson. So this is a slideshow. You're going to have to click through this, watch the videos, read the articles, and then at the end, there's some questions that I would like you to answer. So these questions. What I'd like you to do is create a document, put your name on that document in the title, okay, so up here, and then submit that to PowerSchool Learning. Now, before we start, I do want to just go through this video with you, and I'm going to narrate over top of it, okay? So it's pretty interesting, okay? We're going to go over some geography. So the battle was in 1941, okay, the 8th of December. So right here, you can see this is mainland China, okay? So this is Shenzhen right now. That was already controlled by the Empire of Japan. So they had already occupied Chinese territory. Then on the 8th of December, they began to spread through Hong Kong. Now this line right here, so the line, this is called the gin drinkers line, and this was the area, and I don't know why it's called the gin drinkers line, it just is, but this was the area that the defenses in Hong Kong were trying to defend. Essentially, this is the division between what we now know of as the New Territories and Kowloon. So Lion Rock Tunnel is right about here. ICS is somewhere kind of around here, okay? This is Science Park. Tai Po is over here. Shengshui is up here. Lo Wu up here. Okay, so this was the line that they were trying to defend. And as you see, they steadily get past this. They take over Kowloon. Eventually, they take Lantau. They go onto Hong Kong Island, which is in blue right now. They start on the one side. Now you can see here they've driven a wedge between Hong Kong's defenses. They take the middle part, and then slowly on they spread, and eventually Hong Kong needs to ask for, they surrender and they ask for peace. And the terms of the peace, it was known as Black Christmas, December 25th, 1941. So that's what we are going to learn today, the Battle of Hong Kong. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to submit this stuff to PowerSchool Learning. We will see you on Monday. All right, have a great long weekend after today's lesson. Bye-bye.